Hi, in this video I'm giving you some really easy ideas to make paper flowers and bookmarks as gifts. This craft is inspired by a butterfly bookmark by Layla Tabas, which I shared a while ago on my blog, but this time, you don't need to be an expert drawer to tackle this DIY project. All you need is a design program like Canva, which is completely free and you can use from your phone. And besides your phone or computer, you'll need paper, a printer, painting materials, scissors, glue, and also wooden sticks. First, we're going to design the bookmarks in Canva. To do this, I select Create a Design on the main page. When I click here, a window opens and in the search bar I type A4 Document Landscape and select it. Once the document is open, I go to the Elements section on the right and search for the terms Flower Outline or Butterfly Outline. With the search, all the drawing options will pop up. So I just pick one by clicking on it to copy it onto the blank canvas. When I select the drawing with the mouse, a menu opens up above it. In that menu, I choose the crop option and cut the flower in half by dragging its outline. Then I hit the plus symbol to duplicate the image. I select crop again from the top menu and drag the figure to select the opposite half of the flower. I adjust the halves so they fit together perfectly and form the complete flower. Now I select both halves, adjust their size, and place each half at either end of the canvas. Another option to create the second half from the first is to select it, duplicate it, and flip it horizontally. This works really well for more symmetrical shapes like butterflies, but not so much for flowers. As you can see, I make 3 bookmarks per sheet, and after arranging the shapes, I select everything and add a border around each drawing. I do this as a guide for cutting, but it's really not necessary. Then I go back to the Elements section in the left menu and look for a rectangle, changing the background color to transparent and also adjusting the line thickness. With that rectangle, I create an elongated strip that connects both halves of the shapes at the center. And with this, I could print the bookmarks, color them, fold them, and glue them as you can see in the video. But if instead of bookmarks, you want to create a bouquet of paper flowers, place the figures closer to each other and connect them with a shorter strip, which you can make with the rectangle or with a line if you don't want them to have marks in the center. Then print, color, cut, and paint the central strip green on the back. After that, with the same color, paint some wooden sticks. Next, fold the flowers, make a cut to insert the stick, and add glue. Then insert the stick, leaving an empty space at the top, glue both halves together, and cut into a V shape. And just like that, your paper flower is ready, which you can use to decorate your desk or as a gift for a special day. Hope you liked the ideas. If so, don't forget to give me a like. Bye for now.